Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to lock apps on iPhone. Whether it's your private messages, photos, or sensitive information, sometimes you just want to keep certain apps saved and locked. Good news, you can actually do that following these steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Head towards the app that you want to lock. So let me lock Instagram. Press and hold on the app. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Require Face ID. You'll get this kind of pop-up, require Face ID for Instagram. This app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. In order to lock this app, you can click on the option of Require Face ID. Just with that, your Face ID will be enabled and you have just locked the Instagram app. By following the same process, you can lock any other app as well. Just press and hold on it. Click on the option Require Face ID. Again, click on Require Face ID. Now, when you try to open the app, you'll need to use your Face ID or use the passcode. So this way you can easily lock apps on iPhone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.